Ever feel like your money's slipping through your fingers? You work hard, bring in the cash, but somehow, the bills always seem a step ahead. Maybe you've tried budgeting before, but those spreadsheets just sat there, collecting dust. Well, what if there was a different way? A budgeting method that actually works, that feels empowering, and even, dare I say, fun? That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. YNAB isn't your typical budgeting app. It's a whole philosophy, a way of thinking about money that can transform your financial life. But what exactly is YNAB, and how does it work? The secret lies in its 4 core rules. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the magic of YNAB's 4 rules and see how they can turn you from a paycheck-to-paycheck warrior into a financial samurai. Give every dollar a job. This might sound crazy, but most budgeting methods focus on tracking your spending after the fact. YNAB flips the script. With Rule 1, you tell your money what to do before you spend it. Imagine your paycheck as a team of workers. Each dollar has a job, rent, groceries, that dream vacation. You assign each dollar a category in your YNAB budget, giving it a specific purpose. Suddenly, your money isn't this nebulous mass, it's an army with a mission. But wait, what if there's money left over after you assign jobs? That's fantastic. Those extra dollars can go towards a future goal, like a down payment on a house or that fancy gadget you've been eyeing. No more mindless spending, every dollar has a purpose, and you're in control. Embrace your true expenses. We all have those bills that seem to pop up out of nowhere: car registration, insurance premiums, holiday gifts. These infrequent expenses can wreak havoc on your budget, leaving you scrambling when the bill finally arrives. Rule 2 is all about anticipating these true expenses. YNAB lets you create sinking funds, categories specifically designed to save for these future costs. Every time you get paid, a portion goes towards those sinking funds, so when the bill hits, you're ready and waiting. No more panicking, just smooth sailing. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. The car breaks down, the unexpected medical bill arrives. These things happen, and a rigid budget can feel like it's going to snap. Here's where Rule 3 comes in. YNAB understands that life isn't perfect. If something unexpected comes up, you can easily move money between categories in your budget. Maybe you cut back on eating out this month to cover the car repair. YNAB gives you the flexibility to adapt without throwing your entire plan out the window. Age your money. Imagine this: you get paid, assign your dollars their jobs, and some categories even have leftover cash. That's the power of YNAB at work. Rule 4 encourages you to let your money mature. As you consistently follow the first 3 rules, money starts accumulating in your budget. This aged money is your financial buffer. It's the safety net that allows you to weather financial storms and pursue your biggest goals. The YNAB effect, from broke to boss. YNAB isn't just about budgeting, it's about changing your relationship with money. By giving every dollar a job, embracing true expenses, rolling with the punches, and aging your money, you take control. You become proactive, not reactive. Suddenly, you're not just scraping by, you're planning for the future. You're making conscious choices about your spending, and achieving your financial goals feels attainable. That's the YNAB effect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.